Howdy friends, I found this outdoor garden table along the side of the road, ready to be thrown out. It's not in too bad a shape, so I thought I'd bring it home and see what I could do. Here's the base. It's seen better days. I thought I could at least glue this part up. Next, I'm adding these stainless steel angle brackets to stiffen up the frame, which has got a lot of play and wiggle in it. Next, I'm just degreasing and getting some of the cobwebs off. You can see there's that extension piece underneath the table that allows you to make the table bigger when you need more space. I think this is some kind of tropical hardwood, and I was curious as to whether or not it might be teak. I did a search online and I found it on Amazon. It's nearly a $500 table, and it is teak. I did some sanding and it's cleaned up pretty nice, but a lot of these slats are loose. Now here's that mechanism. It's a little bit tight, but then there's this almost like a shutter that folds out in two ways. It's got these steel pins that I thought I'd lubricate. And I'll do that with the latches and hinges. And just scrape and brush out any loose dirt that's inside of here. I'll put a bit of beeswax on the slide mechanism just so that it'll open up a little bit easier. I'll do my finish sanding and add some teak oil. I'm not sure how I'm going to fix these slats. Sometimes you find things on the side of the road that are ready to be thrown out, and they really should be thrown out. But I needed a table, and this is a pretty expensive one, so I'll call this a win. Thanks for tuning in. Consider subscribing if you've liked what you've seen, and we'll see you on the next video.